Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm drawing another pencil sketch. I hope you are gonna enjoy it. First, we are drawing the face shape, like the basic. I always draw at first the basic and then I go in details. At first, I'm drawing just a face shape for a round, then I am lining. I drew lines for eyes, eyebrows, nose, and lips. Then I'm trying to give the shape of face. If you love my video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share. And if you want, you can also dislike my video. If maybe you won't like my style, my idea, the way I'm drawing. So you can also dislike my video. So no worry, just go for it, whatever you want. And you can also visit my Instagram for more art. Now I'm drawing the eyes. At first for everything we will just draw the shape at first, then we'll do the details. Now I'm trying to give the shape of the eye. Now I'm drawing the eyeball. Here I'm using a SB pencil. You can use any kind of normal pencil that you have or that you want. You don't need the expensive pencil, expensive paper to draw, because maybe you are a beginner, so you don't need to do the best thing. You don't need to have the best thing to draw. You can use any kind of media to draw. Whatever you have, just use it to draw anything that you want. And for the practice, you don't have to always use the perfect thing, just use normal thing to draw. It will be a great practice for you. If you want to see how to draw nose and how to draw lips and how to draw eyes, um, you can find tutorials for this on my channel. If you want, you can also check those videos out. For here, for the blending, using a cotton bar. You can use blending stem, tissue paper if you don't have cotton bar, but you can also use tissue paper and blending stem, cotton bar for blending. Whatever you have, just use it. It will be enough for you. Now I'm using a 4B pencil to draw. Here I'm gonna use just two pencils, like SB pencil and another 4B pencils. Remove the extra lines. I want to share something. Today, when I was outside, I saw a person was killing a dog. He was beating the dog. He was like, it was a bad memory, and I'm still feeling bad. I'm feeling like to cry. I'm not like I tried to stop that man, but that man didn't listen to me. He just killed that dog, and it was so bad that if you kill an animal, helpless poor animal, I was feeling so bad today. If you can, please help those animals that around you. Don't try to beat them, don't try to kill them, because they also have the right to live. Please don't punish them, don't torture them. If you can't help them, just don't bother them. It's better to leave them alone. Don't do anything. They are helpless, they are poor. We are human, we should help them, not kill them. I was feeling like to cry when I saw that, and it was really tough time for me to get rid of this thing. That the way he killed that dog, I was feeling so bad. I'm still feeling so bad. People are there. They were saying that they bite. Dog bites. So why he can't hit them, or why he can kill them. They bite, so it's good that he is killing him. As not appreciate for with it with the fact that you are killing a dog. And then I asked them that why he killed the dog. He said, like the people said, because some of the dogs ate his pet hen, like hens that he was raising. Some of the dog ate them, and that's why he was beating that dog. I was feeling so bad that they were hungry, that's why they ate the hens. They didn't want to do it on purpose. It's too bad to beat someone like this or any kind of animal. You should not do it. It's bad. Actually, it's worst. It's the worst. All I can say. For the hair, I'm gonna say please use strokes and practice the strokes, because if you're a beginner, you'll feel trouble to draw the strokes, but it's okay. Practice it, practice your strokes, you'll be fine some days after some days. So don't worry about it. Just keep practicing your art. I don't know why when people can choose good, why they choose bad. I really don't know about it. Why? They don't understand the bad thing, the bad feelings. My opinion is about this: if you can choose good, then don't choose the bad. If you understand good or bad, then always choose good. Don't choose bad. Bad is bad. I have learned sketching by myself. I didn't get any kind of institution process for this sketching, so maybe there are mistakes for this, so please don't mind, and please forgive me for the mistakes. I'm still learning and I'm learning by myself. If any person is hearing it who can talk in Korean, can you please teach me Korean? Actually, I'm trying to change the topic because those things I can I'm unable to get rid of those things, like killing the dog, that person. I was feeling really uneasy, and I'm trying my best to get rid of that moment. I don't want to think about it, but it's striking is not going out from my head. I'm really enjoying BTS Festa this time too. And if you didn't listen BTS's Kim Namjoon, I mean RM's Bicycle song, then please go and listen to it. Maybe you'll feel better. Actually, I'm trying to listen some songs that can help me. Of course, including BTS. I'm hearing their musics. If you hear some musics, then I will tell you that don't just I have no problem with language, like any kind of language. If I like the music and I like the meaning, I appreciate the meaning, then I will hear the music. So if you hear any kind of music, please check the meaning that you are listening. It should be good. It needs to be good. Let's try to find out that what kind of music you are hearing, because good things affect. So try to do good things, try to listen good musics, and try to listen good songs that has good meaning. It will affect you in a good way. Is done. Now I will just highlight some parts, including nose, eyes, and lips. Then it will be done. It's done. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Bye.